right. I think I'll go to the next slide right now, because what we're gonna do with this graph and with my images are kind of develop that idea. Develop that idea in a graph rather than just, with words. So let's go to the next slide. Okay, so uncanny, it means something that feels strange or creepy, even though it seems kind of normal at first. It's like when something should feel okay, but instead it gives you the chills. Again, it's a difficult idea in words, but I think we're gonna try to put it into a graph and try to understand that idea a little better. So we'll go to the next slide. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you 11 different images. So that's why your x-axis is 11 wide. And they're gonna be of different robots, okay? And for each robot, ask your group, okay? Get from your group a rating on a scale of 0 to 10 based on this question. How comfortable would you be owning a robot that looked like this in your home? Okay, 0 is not at all. 10 is totally comfortable. Also, assume that all robots are advertised as programmed to be safe, and nothing in this world proves that wrong yet. So assume the robots are safe. Assume they're all programmed to be safe. Okay, let's go to the next slide. So you're already in your groups. I want to give you guys about 2 minutes. I want you to talk about, do you think this idea of the uncanny valley is real? So in other words, as the robots get more human looking, your comfort with them is gonna dip. Do you think that's real? Also, at what point do you think your comfort with what a robot looks like is gonna dip? Like, what feature on a robot do you think is gonna pivot you down into that idea of the valley? And do you think that you would be comfortable with a fully human looking robot? So can you guys take about 1 to 2 minutes, talk about those 3 ideas?